Hi, it's Anthony here. In this video I'm going to explain how our Forex signals work so you understand what we're offering. We have two types of signals. These are our Telegram signals and are copier friendly. So this integrates with TS Copier perfectly. And we also have the settings that we can send you for TS Copier. These signals are also used in my Forex account management service, the trade copy service. So these are best suited for automatic trade copy. You can manually trade these if you like, but there's a much better option for manual trading. Now, if you want to get involved and hands-on with your trading, these signals that I send in here, these trade ideas, are incredibly easy to follow. Let's just have a look at this dollar CAD. This was the idea. Wait for the candles to retrace and then set a green momentum sink bullish alert for a buy opportunity. That's it. Wait for this to pull back and go on the next green momentum sink signal, and I'll show you that. These trade ideas go into the Discord channel, as I mentioned, and they are generally suited to the London and the New York session. I'm going to keep this really simple. You only need two indicators, and all you're doing is following the instructions exactly as laid out in Discord. Wait for a pullback and take the next momentum sink signal. There it is. Enter your trade right there. The stop loss goes on this green shaded zone. Set a 3R target. That's not a fixed target because you're going to close the trade on this alert. Right? So all you do is you come in here, and I'll show you this. You just go straight in here. Once you've received this idea here in Discord, just come in here and set this alert, 3 dots. It's a buy, so you select bullish once per bar. I prefer this sound, and notify in app. So that goes off on my phone. TradingView app, create, done. And you just follow the alert. When that alert fires, jump in, open the trade right there. There's the green shaded zone. There's your stop loss. Right, so you've got everything right here. That's your entry point right on that green signal. 3R target. Your trade is running. And once this is active, come straight in here to this indicator. Have a look at the exit up there, the dot. 3 dots, add alert, and this is your exit. Just leave it as it is, once per bar, and I choose a different sound. I go for the horse. That's it. Notify in the app, once per bar, create, done. All you need to do is wait for these signals, these alerts to fire in your TradingView. They'll go off on your phone. So there's no way you'll miss an opportunity. That's all there is to it. And of course, it gets a bit more elaborate if you want to add more indicators, depending on your TradingView account and, your preferences. So here, you're just copying my ideas exactly as it's laid out. Now, if the alert doesn't fire, there's no trade. For example, euro dollar, look for this to pull back, set a bearish momentum sink alert. Okay, we're looking for the pullback. There's no bearish momentum sink alert. This is through London and New York, so there's no trade. I'd highly recommend you avoid opening a trade right into the Asia Open. That's not recommended at all, right? So in this case, just leave it alone. There's no trade. That's how it's laid out, guys. This is the easiest Forex signal service, as far as I know, in existence. And we have, looking back in here, we have only had one stop loss taken out of all of these. Scroll up as far as you want to go, because I will paste screenshots the next day of all the trades, and you gain access to our mentorship, daily mentorship videos. So you learn how to use our system. That's it. Now you can take it one step further, and I'll show you something. Well, day trading, let's just have a look at that now. If you want to trade more independently, watch this video. So this is a complete Forex trading system, and then follow my daily mentorship videos on this. Okay, so you can use our indicators and set up your own signals and be independent, and also take advantage of these. Now go to that next level again and go for the trade copy, where we connect your Forex MT4 or MT5 account to mine, and I trade your account. You can trade it as well. All the information is on this page about the trade copy, and it's only $39.95 a month for the trade copy opportunity that will also give you full VIP access. This is an incredible opportunity. So all the information's on my website on this page. Watch this video and it'll explain the trade copy. Now, if you just want to dip your toe in, take up the 14-day free trial, and that's full VIP access. So you can see how things work out. That's only, well, it's free for 14 days and then only $29.95 a month to be a full member. But for an extra $10 a month, $39.95 a month, let me trade your account as well, connected to mine, and benefit from a passive income. Click this spreadsheet, here are the results, or recent trade results. Okay, now we released a new indicator and we're having some really positive results this week. Achieved 3.3R, and this is me trading a master account for the trade copy. This is a passive income. You can see these results. That is the opportunity. You can connect your account to our Telegram signals through TS Copier. That's automatic trade copy. All the information's in here. Here's TS Copier. This is going to cost you $70 more, thereabouts, per month. But if you choose the TS Copier option, all the information's here. And down here, there's a text file. I think you can grab that and copy the settings for TS Copier. But seriously, this is a really good opportunity, and it's incredibly affordable. Alright, so with that, guys, I hope you have a fantastic day, and look forward to seeing you in VIP.